Hey, Mike, you want to hear it? Let's see how about I screwed this shit up. All right, it's the Hindle. Get back here. Mike, go twist the throttle. See, I'll do the fairings when I get up in the morning. Hell with it. Don't sound bad, hell. It's a little bit louder than the short Meg. It's farther back, obviously. Anyway, that's what it is. Now I get to oh, I gotta get some damn Gorilla Glue because I busted the shit out of these damn fairings with that damn hammer trying to knock this shit off. Oh, I gotta block off that damn tube underneath here too. But I don't have a, I'll do that shit later. I don't have a plug. What do you think, Mike? All right, that's it. I'll start putting the freaking fairings back on after I glue them back together because I got pissed off and just broke the shit out of them. You know, why they gotta piss me off like that? I just don't understand. But anyway, that's it. Nice carbon fiber. Canadians screwing with me, but they did a good job. All right, later.